Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Jacqueline and this is lowcarblish. If you've not been here before, this is a channel where we make low carb versions of our favorite high carb foods. If you've been here before, welcome back. I love you guys. So today we are going to be making some strawberry muffins slash cupcakes. And I say slash cupcakes because these can work either way. I have these sometimes without icing on them for breakfast. And then once in a while when I want to do a dessert, I'll put cream cheese and whipped cream icing on them, and we're going to do that today. But these are really fast, really simple, and they taste delicious. So I'm doing this recipe today in the microwave. You can cook these in the oven if you have time and you want to, but I'm going to show you the microwave version today just because, like I said, it's fast and it's easy, y'all. So I'm going to go over the ingredients here, but I'll have them listed down in the description as well. So we've got almond flour, coconut flour, monk fruit, allulose, lime juice, some baking powder, 3 strawberries that are chopped fine, 2 eggs, and I've got some strawberry baking emulsion that we're going to put in there. So that's everything that's going in there. So let's get started, y'all. I'm kind of excited about this. Me and Jenny were talking about we're going to have dessert after lunch today. So we're going to start off with the monk fruit. And y'all do not have to sift, but y'all know how I am. Down here in the South, we sift, y'all. If you're going to bake something, we sift it. And I just grabbed the monk fruit instead of the coconut flour, but that's okay. It's going in there too. So, and actually, you could put all of the dry ingredients in here and just sift and it'd be fine. But I just like to get all the little lumps out, especially when I'm making a smaller recipe, because this recipe makes 2. You can double it, triple it, whatever you need to do for your family. Or if you want to put, make them and freeze them, they freeze up really well too. So we got all that done. I'm going to put the allulose in. And I'm using a mixture of monk fruit and allulose just because I like the way that it makes it taste when I do that. And I'm going to mix all my dry ingredients up here. I should have sifted the allulose too. Got a little bit of lumps in the allulose. They'll disappear. So we'll just stir that in real well. Okay, and then we're going to put our baking powder in. Let's get that stirred up. And now we're going to go in with lime juice and eggs and the strawberry emulsion. And you know, guys, this is really great on those mornings that you are in a hurry, but you want something, you know, kind of in the baked goods family. They make up really quick, and they're also great at night if you're home from work or if you're just tired and you don't feel like baking a bunch of stuff. This is a great recipe for that. And I'm going to put this strawberry emulsion in here, and it not only adds a good strawberry flavor, but it also is going to turn our cupcakes pink. And I like pink cupcakes, especially for strawberry stuff. So, alright, get this stirred up here. Got all my ingredients except my strawberries and my strawberry emulsion, and we'll get ready to add those right now. And y'all, if you like strawberry cupcakes, these are good. I'll try to get a little more of this emulsion out. I put a little bit extra in there because I knew some of it was going to stick to my glass. And just get this stirred up so we get this nice pretty pink color. I love muffins and cupcakes. I really like muffins in the fall too. Alright, so let's get our strawberries in here. And this is just 3 strawberries that are chopped up really fine. And I'm just going to stir them up in my batter. And then we're going to pour, and these 2 ramekins that I'm using, I've already pre-greased them. I put some spray oil in there, but you can use butter, avocado oil, coconut oil, whatever you got and you prefer. You just need to put a little bit of oil or something in there so your muffins don't stick. And then just do the best you can to divide your batter evenly. Okay, so we are almost there, y'all. Alright, so I'm going to put these in the microwave, and I think, I've got to look at my time on my recipe again. I think I've been cooking these close to 2 minutes, but when I get them out of the microwave, I'll tell you for sure, just so you'll know. But everybody's microwave's a little bit different, so you just need to watch them the first time you make it. Anyway, I'm going to put these in the microwave, and I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so we'll be back in just a couple minutes. Okay y'all, so it's been about 2.5 minutes on my microwave, and I'm going to pull them out and see if I can get, and y'all use a hot pad when you're pulling them out because they get hot. I'm going to see if Jenny can get over here. Well, let me put them over there by Jenny so that she can get a shot of them here so y'all can see what you're looking for when they're done. And what we're looking for is for them to bounce back. So, you know, when they're done, they're going to bounce back. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to set up to make the icing so we can get these decorated, and we'll be back in just a minute. Okay y'all, so we're back. The cupcake muffins have cooled off a little bit, and we're going to make our icing so we can turn them into cupcakes. And I've just got heavy whipping cream here, and I'll have all the amounts down in the description for you. And then I'm going to add allulose in here. And we're going to put some vanilla flavoring in here. And then when I get this whipped up, I'm going to add some of this softened cream cheese. And this is just cream cheese that I put in the microwave for about 30-40 seconds before I started cooking. And so it's nice and soft now, and it'll go really well in our icing here. And I apologize for the noise. I'm trying to learn this new software so that when I'm making noise, I can put music over it. So I'm going to do this for just a few minutes, and then we'll cut away, and I'll come back, and when it's fluffed up and ready to go, we'll put the cream cheese and we'll be back. So I'm just going to start this off low. And I'm not going to make y'all watch this and listen to all that noise, and I'll be back in just a minute. Okay y'all, so I've got this whipped cream whipped up to like stiff peak stage. And so I'm getting ready to just add the softened cream cheese in that, and then we'll cut away again so you don't have to listen to all this noise. And y'all, I appreciate you being patient with me while I learn the software, because it makes a difference, but it takes a little while to learn it. At least it is for me. So I'm going to put this in. We're going to mix this up, and we'll be back as soon as it's ready. Okay y'all, so we are ready to decorate our cupcakes here. And I am going to just run a little butter knife around the edge of my cupcake muffin. Let's see if I can get it to come out here. Put that on our plate. And y'all, it's pretty just like that, and it tastes good. Like I said, I eat these sometimes for a breakfast muffin. But they're good as cupcakes too. I mean, who doesn't like a cupcake, you know what I'm saying? So, get these turned over here. I'm going to get a paper towel, wipe my hands off real quick. Alright, and I know some of you are like, why does she have one strawberry out there? And the reason is because we're going to use it to decorate these two cupcakes. And my icing, I don't know what's going on with my icing. It may be the temperature here at my house. It's still pretty hot here in Georgia. Usually my icing gets a little bit stiffer peaks than this, but I mean, it's not horrible, but it's not standing up like I usually have it. And that happened to me the last time I tried to use it. And maybe this brand of cream I'm using too. I'm not sure. But I'm going to have to do some investigation into that. Anyway. So we get these nice and iced here. And what we're going to do with the strawberry is we're going to make a heart decoration for the top of each one of these. And you just get a nice looking strawberry and pull the green leaves off of it. And then you're going to go in and you're going to cut it this way as you go down the strawberry. And then come in, and the little green part, we're just going to cut it out. and it leaves a little heart shape, and you can go in there and clean it up and round your corners up if you want to. And then you just put your little heart on top of your cupcake. And this is totally optional. If you do this, it's going to add 1 carb to your cupcake. If you don't do it, then you don't have to add another extra carb. And there we go. So super simple, really delicious, and something that you can serve just for yourself or company. Like I say, you can double, triple, whatever this recipe that you need to do. And if you like strawberry cupcakes, I think you're really going to like this. So I'll be back in just a minute. We'll do a taste test. Okay, y'all, so it's time for the taste test. I want to do something a little bit different than how I usually eat it. I'm going to move my little strawberry over because I want to cut into this so you guys can see what it looks like on the inside. I mean, it is just brimming with strawberries and just tastes fabulous. And so I'm going to dig in right now and have a little bite, and then I'm going to save the rest of it for my dessert after my lunch today. But it's good, y'all. Hold on, I gotta get a drink. If you like strawberry cupcakes and you like strawberry muffins, I really think you're gonna like these. Like I say, you can cook them in the oven if you want to. I just did the microwave version for you today because we're going for that fast, easy, preparation for those days when we need fast, easy preparation. So I hope you guys will enjoy this recipe. I thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today. And I want you to know that I love you and I appreciate the love and support that you send my way. And if you're new here, I would appreciate it if you would consider subscribing. And please hit that like button for me because it really does help people that have just been diagnosed to find the channel. So I hope you're having a fantastic Tuesday, and I will talk to you soon. Love you guys. Bye.